Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to explore a sound we all know, the humble doorbell. It's one of those everyday sounds that we usually don't think about until someone presses it. So, what does a doorbell sound like? And why is it designed that way? Let's find out. A typical doorbell is clear, bright, and easy to recognize. The classic version is the two-tone chime, something like ding-dong. That's no coincidence. The sound is short, pleasant, and easy to identify, even if you're in another room. Some modern doorbells are electronic and can play melodies or custom sounds. Imagine opening the door to a delivery while Beethoven's Für Lust is playing. There are a few main types of doorbell sounds. Mechanical chimes. The classic ding-dong, created by little metal bars being struck. Electronic tones. Simple beeps or chimes. Smart doorbells, which can play almost anything you want, from cheerful tunes to funny sound effects. And yes, some people even set their smart doorbells to play spooky Halloween sounds or Christmas carols, just for fun. Here are a few fun facts about doorbells. The first electric doorbell was invented in the 1800s, over 150 years ago. The ding-dong pattern became popular because it's short, recognizable, and feels polite. In some countries, instead of a chime, you might still hear a buzzer, a loud bzzz that definitely gets your attention. And of course, doorbells have made their way into pop culture. From comedy skits to songs, everyone knows the sound of a doorbell. So, the next time you hear ding-dong, remember, that simple sound has a long history and a lot more variety than you might think. And now, let's listen to the sound of a classic doorbell.